Hello everybody, today we are going to be going over a Sajo, I believe that's how you pronounce it, horizontal milling machine. It's a pretty nice unit. We're just going to go over some of the functions and features on this mill. I'll do a verbal walk around on some of the controls and specifications on it, and then we'll power it up and let you guys see it run. So around this side we have the master speed selection for the spindle. You can move this from 40 to 1800 RPM depending on the configuration. Around this side we've got the electrical enclosure. There's fuses, etc. inside that enclosure. Coolant pump switch, spindle rotation switch, so your forward reverse switch. Down here we've got the transmission for the auto feed, power feed. So that's your speed selection. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get this thing turned on and give it a run. This is going to be your X-axis power feed control. This is going to be your Z-axis, or excuse me, Y-axis power feed. You gotta pull this guy out, and you flip that into place, and this is elevating the cable. This has power feed on all three axis points, so your X, Y, and Z axis. It has your auto limits, or auto cutoff, if you will, for the X axis. Z axis is along the side there, and the Y axis is right here. So yeah, all in all, a nice unit, solid machine. There will be a link in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing this machine. There'll be a link to our website with the rest of the specifications for the machine. There will be contact information as well if you would like a freight quote or have any questions on this unit. As always, thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe.